Hello and welcome to our Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video, we will explain what the General section is and how it works. Please go to karatbars.com and click on the Login button on the very top right of the site and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area, where you can look up all information about your account, change settings or your profile information, place purchases, learn all about your commissions, and many other things. You will always begin on the dashboard after logging in. Here you will find the first 5 steps in order to get started in the affiliate program. As the first step, you should order your dual package. As the second one, you will need to upload your KYC documentation. You will need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued form of ID, like a driver's license, national identity card, or a passport. And as the next document, a utility bill not older than 6 months in order to verify the physical address that you registered. As the third step, you can purchase your Karatbars prepaid MasterCard in order to receive future commissions directly and without any delay. In the fourth step, you can set up an automatic purchase on either a monthly or weekly basis. Please understand that you will need to upload your KYC documentation prior to step 3 and 4. Last but not least, you can register an account with our Karatbars Academy in order to learn more about our system. On your dashboard, you will find important information about our gold and your account, your personal details like your Karatbars ID, your statistics, and how well your teams are doing. In the very right box, you see your pending distributions and commissions, which will be paid out onto your Karatbars prepaid MasterCard when you have one. Your pending uni-level commissions will always be paid out on the first business day of the following month. Pending dual payout will be transferred to your Karatbars prepaid MasterCard each Friday. Your dual commission this week reflects the commissions you have generated since last Friday's payout and will be paid out next week's Friday. On the very bottom of the page, you can find our recent incentive reports, the Karatbars gold price history since 2011, and a list of all of our products with the day's pricing. To learn more about how your back office works, please make sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.